Welcome to Childers. You're at the ISIS Club. We've been in operation now for 103 years in April, so we've been in Childers for a really long time. We're a community-owned club. We've had strong connections with our community for a lot of years now. They give people a focus, a place to meet, somewhere where they feel welcome, that they feel like it's their place to go to. We've had some families in Childers that have celebrated every major event here. So from births, christenings, birthday parties, weddings, you name it, to right up until celebrations of life. We have a long history here. We like to think that we're the venue of choice in Childers just because we have so much history, because we're such a comfortable place to come. The staff are friendly, the decor is nice, we're air conditioned. We have lots of different options for people to keep them entertained while they're here. So we encourage barefoot bowls, we encourage any sort of social bowls out there. We're happy for people to just show up and say, hey, can I have a shot out on your green? We don't have time limits, so you can go out there and stay there all day if you like. We've got lights, and so it's a nighttime thing as well, which is lots of fun. We have a bistro that's open 7 days a week for lunch and for dinner service. Our bar has a full range of beers and spirits and wines. I think we have 11 on tap, and we're one of the few places in town that has Guinness on tap as well, which is kind of a novelty. We're selling more now than we ever had. We get a lot of backpackers coming up here and having a go at it. I think it's a bit nostalgic for them sometimes. So we've recently had an upgrade of the club because we wanted to offer our members a more comfortable setting. Things get old and look a bit shabby sometimes. We wanted them to feel proud of the club when they came in, and proud of when they had functions and events here, that they weren't embarrassed by the way that it used to look. When we were looking to replace our current furniture, what we were looking for is something that would fit into any colour scheme. Kind of a neutral palette is what we were aiming for. So we wanted something that looked great on its own, but that would also fit with any colour scheme that someone bought into the club for their wedding or their engagement or their birthday party. It needed to be sort of multi-purpose stuff. We spent a lot of time sitting on chairs to try and find the right fit, because we cater for people of different age groups and different abilities. One of the big factors when we were purchasing the furniture was that it needed to be light enough for our staff to carry around without injuring themselves. The chairs are perfect because we can stack them a lot higher and still carry them because they're not as heavy, and the tables have been great. Nextrend were easy to work with. We had one of their consultants come in, have a look around the club. We went through some sample books, and he made some suggestions after he spoke to me about what the idea was, what our vision was for what the club would look like. Yeah, he was spot on. His advice was great.